Right, hello, my name is Felix Schniz. I'm a senior scientist at the University of Klagenfurt in Austria, and I am the program director of the master's program Game Studies and Engineering. Today's event is called Wrangling Genre Complexity, and it's about video game genres. So we are talking about how we can categorize video games, how we can analyze video game categories, and how we can benefit from that knowledge as researchers or as game developers.
Well, maybe the first thing that I really wanted to find here is just networking, and there's like a lot of here. There's a lot of cool people from the industry. There are people who are doing these games. Talk to the lecturer as well. It's also a cool experience to have. And I think the networking was one of the main things that I was looking towards with my friends, and we got it.
Whether you're playing video games or you're developing video game genres play a big role. We think in categories when we either purchase games, when we develop games, when we play video games, and genres help us to understand what makes these games specific. Whether you're a player, it will help you to aid your gameplay experience or understanding it better. On the other hand, if you're a developer or designer, understanding better what genres are and how you can use them can definitely improve your design approaches and your development.
I definitely will recommend such an event to my friends because it's an interesting event. There are a lot of topics, there are gaming, and there are a lot of interesting people that in our communities we can talk about games and infinitely almost talk about games. So it's the best place for people such as us.
Oh, I started coming here like in fall, and it just caught my attention because it conveys game in an interesting format that it isn't just about how it's made and the basic, for example, programming of it, but just more of a metaphorical aspect sometimes and more of a what the game tells and not how it's made.
Playtest opportunity is amazing, actually. I mean, there's of course games from our students at Klagenfurt University also, so go and check them out. But it's also really great because young developers need feedback. So if you have a couple of minutes and if you enjoy video games, you can help to make great improvements to these games and give valuable feedback.